Okay, so here we are at the home page of the value network system, and basically we have 3 sections. The work to do. So here people from anywhere in the web can commit to these tasks. You have a list of tasks. You click the button do this work, and you can work with us. We have also the section resources we need. So people from anywhere in the web can get some devices, some instruments for us and contribute in this way. And here you have the value being created section. So the people can use the techniques or the instruments we created just by clicking this button, use this. Now I will log in the system. So we can see more features. And first, we go in the start page. The first feature I will show you is the list of tasks that a member, in this case it's me, a member committed. So all these tasks are some tasks I committed to. For example, manufacturing optics, 1 hour of time. And if I click on lab notes for this task, I will see some details about the task I need to perform for the community. So here I can write some notes about what I'm doing. Here I have the details of what I need to do. The output is a mosquito joint type transducer. It's a sensor for the mosquito. And the material input I need to take in the lab and assemble in order to produce this product. And if I need some details about how to assemble this, I go here and I have the link to the recipe. The second feature I want to demonstrate to you now is to take a task. Here we saw before the task I already took. And here, when I scroll down, I see other unassigned tasks. For example, I can take this task, yes, this one, manufacturing optics, because it belongs to my skills. So I click on, I click on take this task, and I will see some details. So manufacturing optics, 5 hours needed to make a joint type transducer. There's a due date. There's also the list of material I need to take in the lab. So I can commit to this task and start now. So I click on commit to this task, and this task will be added to my list of tasks. And by clicking on the links, I have the details of the recipe to follow to make this device. Now I click on this link, lab notes for this task. I can write notes here about my work. So today I need to manufacture this instrument. And I have all the details here about the inputs I need to use, all the parts I need to assemble in order to make this mosquito scientific instrument, which is the complete product. And I have the detail here, the recipe, about how to use it, how to So when I click on this, when I type this link on the web, I have access to the document that indicates me the recipe. Okay, so I click on this button to have the detail on the recipe, and here on my browser I use this link that redirects me to the recipe. So here I just have to follow this document. This is like a cooking recipe with all the detailed steps about how to make these instruments. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how to use the instruments, with a lot of details, how to manipulate the parts. And at the end of the document, I'm supposed to be able to make the product. So back to the lab note. And basically, that's it. So now we'll go in the demand page in order to create a project and to invite people to contribute to this project. So I click on Create R&D Order. And for example, I want that some people work on the Mosquito scientific instrument system and build a complete system. So the output will be a product. The input will be some products, some parts, some modules that will be assembled. And the type of work here is manufacturing mechanics, because it's mostly assembling parts. And the project is the Mosquito scientific instrument system. I click on the related recipe needed to assemble this product. And I can start now. Or I can edit the process. It's more interesting. So now the people can see the details needed to build the product. They see the entire details, the inputs, the type of work, the product, the modules that are assembled into the product. There's a complete list of product and the outputs. There's a due date that can be changed, and I click on Save. So the project is now shooted into the system, and anyone can commit to take it and make the product, the Mosquito scientific instrument. So here we see some details about the material requirements, what you will need to bring from the lab to build the product. And at the end of the page, I can click, or anyone can click on Take this task. And that's it. So now we move on the supply page. And in this page, you can buy from us, from Sensorica. You can buy our products, our prototypes, our techniques. So you can buy from Sensorica a silver coating device, or you can buy any product that we offer right now. So in the future, anyone will be able to propose a new project to Sensorica. For now, this feature is not fully functional, so I will show you how we proceed. We go to the admin section, in the project section, and here you click on Add Project, and let's say you have a project which is a robot finger. It's a project we already have, but you have a version 2 you want to make, and that's it. Basically, the project is done. I can save it, and then after it will be possible to invite people to contribute to this project. That's it.